Hello everyone. Let's start sitting in Vajrasana. If Vajrasana is uncomfortable, simple cross leg. Palms on knees, straight spine, shoulders relaxed. Lengthen spine, chin parallel to the floor. Take a deep breath in. And as you're exhaling, closing your eyes. Complete awareness with breath, with the expansion of your chest. So observe your ribcage expanding as you inhale it, and observe it slowly contract as you exhale. Breathing in and out with a gentle sound. Exhale out fully, gently opening your eyes, stretching both arms out. So fingertips are down, both hands stretched out. Inhale, lengthen spine. Exhale, dropping your head towards the right side. And see if you can walk your left fingertips just one step away. Choice to keep the eyes closed. Come back to center, dropping the head to the left side and walking the right fingertips slightly away. Exhale out fully, come back to center. Inhale, lifting the left arm up, walk the right hand one more step away. Exhale, bringing the right elbow down, press the hips down and opening the chest up towards the ceiling. Stretch the left arm out completely, looking up. 5 deep breaths in. Stretch the left arm out completely. Exhale out fully. Inhale, come back to center. Bringing the left hand down, right arm reaches up. Stretch the right side of the body. Bringing the left elbow down. Opening the chest up towards the ceiling, looking up. So throughout the practice, keep moving your hip down. 5 deep breaths in. Inhale, take a deep breath in. Exhale, coming out of the practice. Let's come on to all fours, onto knees and palms. 5 cat-cow stretches. Fingers are spread wide. We'll keep the toes tucked in. Knees separated, hip width apart. And palms shoulder width apart. Exhale out fully. Inhale, drop the belly down, lift the chest and head up. Gazing at your eyebrow center. Exhale, round your back, chin to chest. Gaze at nose tip. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Last term, inhale, exhale out fully. Inhale, come back to neutral spine. Let's stretch the right leg up, right toes pressing down. So pressing the ball of the right foot nice and firm. Belly is in, tighten right thigh. Holding it 5. Keep stretching your right leg. It's as though the right heel wants to move down. 4, 3. Tighten thigh little bit more. Keeping the right leg strong, lifting the right leg off the mat. And with control, stretching the left arm forward. Right toes pointing down, gaze forward. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Release. Let's stretch the left leg out. So first 5 counts, you are pressing the ball of the left foot firmly. Tighten left thigh. Looking forward. Keep strengthening your left leg. Keeping the left leg strong, lifting the left leg parallel to the floor. Belly in, right arm reaching forward. Holding it 5. Breathing normally. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Release. Let's walk the palm one step forward. Tuck toes. Lifting up downward facing dog. To take your time to stretch the legs out, you can choose to bend one knee at a time, stretching the other leg out. So make any movements right now so that we can settle down in down dog for the next 5 breaths in Ujjayi. So when I say Ujjayi, belly is going to be in. We will be using the chest to breathe in and out. Mild constriction in the back of the throat so that a sound comes out when you are breathing in and out. Exhale out fully, drawing the belly in. Inhale, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, chest expands. 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, shoulders away from ears. 4, 3, 2, 1. 5 more breaths in Ujjayi. Choice to tuck the chin to chest. If down dog is difficult, you can do the same practice in all 4s. Exhale out fully, draw the belly in. Look forward and start walking your fingertips back towards your feet. Exhale out fully, hands on hip, coming up to standing. Let's start in Tadasana for the next 5 breaths. Feet separated hip width apart, toes pointing forward. Interlacing fingers, let's stretch both arms out. Start pressing the feet nice and firm. Keep the knees softly bent, tighten thighs. Belly is free to move. Shoulder down, lift the chest up, chin parallel to floor. Both arms stretched out nicely. So active posture, entire body is working. Let's take a deep breath in. Closing the eyes. 5 breaths in Ujjayi. Count of 5 and 5. Exhale out fully, hands on hip. And join the feet together for Utkatasana. So squatting down halfway. You're squeezing the knees together. Choice to point the tailbone out. If you have any existing lower back pain, tailbone in. Sitting back onto the heels. And stretch both arms forward. Fingers are spread wide. First 5 counts, lifting the toes off the mat. Breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2. Let's stretch both our hands back, squeezing the shoulder blades. This time pressing the toes, lifting the heels off in Utkatasana. Breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bringing your feet down, fingertips down. Let's walk our hands forward to downward facing dog. Now joining the feet together. Exhale out fully. Inhale, lifting the right leg up towards the ceiling. Stretch the leg out. Exhale, right knee to chest. Roll forward to plank. So lift the knee up higher. Inhale, right leg up. Exhale, right knee to chest. Inhale. Exhale. 2 more. Inhale. Exhale. Last one to hold. Inhale. Exhale, knee to chest. See if you can touch your nose to knee. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Stepping that foot forward in between palms. I'm catching my breath here. Preparing for a lunge. So right ankle knees in one straight line. Left leg is stretched out. Hands on hip. Lift chest. Tailbone is reaching down. Belly in. Stretching both the arms up. Keeping the fingers spread wide. Active hands. A choice to sink the hip lower only if you are comfortable. For 5. Nice and strong left leg. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's look forward at one point with control. Left knee to chest. Try and find balance here. So left toes are pointing down. Now start opening the chest towards the left side. Right hand holding on to the left knee. Left arm reaching back. Look back only if you have balance. I am looking down at one point. 3 more deep breaths up. Exhale out fully. Let's step the left foot next to right. Coming back to Utkatasana. Palms in front of chest. Inhale, lengthen spine. Exhale, left elbow outside the right knee. Twist, press palm, lifting the chest up. The choice to stay here. If you feel like, you can slide the entire left arm outside the knee, bringing the fingertips down. Right arm reaching up. 5 deep breaths out. Exhale out fully. Inhale, stretch both arms up. Lengthen spine, lean back gently. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, chest and head up, Ardha Utthana. Exhale, stepping back, downward facing dog. Keeping the feet together in down dog. So throughout today's practice, I am switching to Ujjayi breathing. So you can also stick to Ujjayi breathing if that's not comfortable. Ensure that you are at least breathing out longer. Inhale, lifting the left leg up. Exhale, left knee to chest, roll forward to plank. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Last one to hold. Inhale. Exhale, knee to chest, nose to knee. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Stepping that foot forward. Catching my breath. Preparing for lunge. Left knee, ankle is in one line. Right leg stretched out. Hands on hip. Lift chest up. With the next inhalation, stretching both your arms out. Choice to stay here, or you can choose to sink the hip lower, keeping the right knee straight. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Back to lunge with control. Right knee in front of chest. Once we have balance, twist open towards the right side. Left hand holding on to the right knee. 3 deep breaths out. Exhale out fully. Stepping the right foot next to left. Squatting down in Utkatasana. Palms in front of chest. Inhale, stretch the spine. Exhale, right elbow outside the left knee. Press palms, open chest up. And choice to stretch both your arms out. So when you are trying to stretch both arms out, ensure that the upper arm, your shoulder is still outside the left knee. You stay there for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, lift both arms up, lean back gently. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, chest and head up, Ardha Utthana. Exhale, stepping back to downward facing dog. Let's bring the knees down, knees separated, mat width apart. Child's pose, stretch your arms out, forehead or chin down. Start watching the breath. And going back to the count of 5 and 5 for inhale and exhale. Exhale out fully. Take your time to step back to downward facing dog. Feet separated, hip width apart. Inhale, lifting the right leg up. Let's bend the right knee, opening the hip. Starting position. Take one more deep breath in here. Exhale, right knee to right elbow touch. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, knee to elbow touch. Inhale, exhale, 2 more. Inhale, exhale, last one to hold. Inhale, exhale, keep lifting the knee up high for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Stepping that foot outside the right path. Let's come on to the tips of the fingers. Left leg is stretched up. Now keeping the left knee stretched up, slowly releasing the hip down, keeping the chest lifted up. Now without dropping the left knee down, see if you can bring your elbows down. If it's uncomfortable, choose to bring the left knee down anytime. Keep moving the right knee in. 5 more deep breaths. Exhale out fully. Come back onto your palms. Let's bring the right hand beneath the thigh, scooching the right foot slightly in. So right palm comes outside the right foot and your left knee turn around so that it is. So you're bringing the right palm underneath the thigh. Choice to stay here only if you feel like. See if you can lift the right foot off the floor. Next step, lean forward, trying to lift the left leg off. Breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly coming out. If that didn't happen, go back to the video, take your time. The only trick to find balance is to shift the body straight forward rather than kicking the back leg. Stepping back to downward facing dog. 3 breaths out and down dog. Exhale out fully. Inhale, lifting the left leg, bend the left knee, open the hip, starting position. Take one more deep breath in. Exhale, knee to elbow touch. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, knee to elbow. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Last one to hold. Inhale. Draw the belly in. Exhale. Knee to elbow or the shoulder. Holding it. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Stepping that foot outside the left palm. So on the tips of the fingers, start sinking the hip down, keeping the chest lifted up. So trying our best to keep the right knee straight. Now without dropping the right knee, slowly bringing the elbows down. 5 deep breaths out. Exhale out fully, come back onto your palms. Let's bring the left hand through the thigh, under the thigh, scooching the left foot slightly. The first step, lean forward, lift the left foot off, keep lifting the body straight forward to take the right leg off. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Stepping back, downward facing dog. Just turn your head, make a circle with your neck. Exhale out fully. Inhale, roll forward to plank. Exhale, chaturanga or lie down flat. Point your toes up. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Let's bring the knees down. Child's pose for the next 5 breaths. And taking this time to reset our breath. Going back to the count of 5 for inhale and exhale. Exhale out fully. Lift chest up. Let's bring the hip down. Stretching the legs out nice and wide. So I am bringing my legs inside the mat. So you can choose to widen it till it's comfortable for you. So when I say comfortable, you should be able to sit up taller. If that's not happening, keep the knees softly bent. The palms on knees, lengthen spine, shoulders relaxed. And just stretch your arms out, see how far it reaches your leg. Now holding on to the leg, pointing the foot towards you. Exhale out fully. Interlace fingers. Inhale, stretch both arms out. As you're rolling the thighs in, let's turn towards the right leg. Exhale, fold forward onto the right. So you can try to hook the interlaced palm beyond the right foot, or you can just hold on to any part of the leg. 7 deep breaths out to bring the belly close to the right thigh. Exhale out fully, walking your hands back. Interlace fingers, inhale, stretch, exhale, turn towards the left side and then start folding forward. So hold on to any grip. Every time you exhale, press the belly to the left thigh and mindfully keep pressing the right side of the hip also down. Exhale out fully, walking your hands back. Let's hold on to the right foot. See if you can hold it from, hold the inner sole of the right foot. So if that's not happening, any part of the right leg. So I'm going to hold on to the inner sole of the foot, turning the palm out. Wherever you are, we'll try to bring the elbow close to the knee, right elbow close to the knee. Inhale, open chest out, stretch the left arm over your head. Keep pressing your hips down and visualize the left fingers wanting to touch the right foot without closing the chest too much. We'll stay there for the next 5 deep breaths out. Every time you inhale, roll the left shoulder up. Let the upper body remain in the same place. Slowly see if you can hold on to the left thigh with your right hand or the outer edge of the knee with the right hand. Sink the right elbow down, open chest out a little bit more. Exhale out fully, slowly coming up. And move on to the other side. I'm holding on to the inner sole of the left foot, bringing the elbow outside the knee. Opening the chest, right arm over the head. Now keep pressing the right thigh down to slowly bring the right fingers close to the left foot. 5 deep breaths in to open chest out. Slowly see if you can hold on to the right thigh with your left hand. Left elbow down, open just a little bit more. Exhale out fully. Slowly coming out. Stretch the spine up. Walking your hand just 1 step forward. Let's bring the elbows down. If the elbows are not touching down, we'll work on bringing the elbows down. If the elbows are down, see how far can you walk your elbows forward, keeping the eyes closed. Once you don't feel like stretching any further, start relaxing your upper body, head down. Exhale out fully. Let's walk our hands back. Take your time to lie down onto the mat. Knees bent, feet on mat. Feet separated, hip width apart. Now press the feet firmly, lifting the hip up. The choice to stay here. See if you can scooch your elbows closer. So using your palm to support your lower back. So base of your palm supporting your lower back. So shoulders are rolling down, chest moving towards the chin. Now choice to stay here. Only if you are comfortable, stretching the right leg and the left leg out. But keep lifting your thighs up. Few more breaths here. Bend both knees, feet on mat. Choice to get into shoulder stand from here directly. Lift the right leg up. Engage your belly and the left leg up. Shoulder stand. If that's not happening, roll down. Take your time to come up to shoulder stand. Switching to Ujjayi breathing here. So let the chest and the belly also expand as you are inhaling. And chest and belly contracts as you exhale. But you are trying your best to control the flow of breath using your throat. Inhale 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Moving into Halasana, let's bring the feet over the head. Once the big toes touch down, you can choose to stretch your arms out, interlacing fingers. Slowly coming out of the practice, roll yourself down, keeping the knees close to chest. Ananda Balasana. Let's hold on to the inner soles of the feet. Let the lower back settle down, head and shoulders down. Take a deep breath in. And as you are pressing the lower back down, exhale. Closing eyes. Staying here for the next 30 seconds. Have both knees close to chest. Bringing the forehead to knee, Pavana Muktasana. Curling up into a tiny ball. Rock forward, coming up to seated. We'll do 3 rounds of Bhastrika today. So I'll be using hands for Bhastrika. So what usually we can do is make a fist, inhale, deep breath in, you're going to stretch your arms up. Exhale forcefully and visualize you are just pushing the elbows down. Okay. So rather than moving it back, so people find a little uncomfortable when you're moving the elbows back out of the fear that hands might touch down. So easiest way to do that is inhale, lift, take a deep breath in, exhale. Okay. So you're not moving the elbows too down, but you're just using that force to exhale out fully. Okay. So forget about whether you're using the belly or the chest. Only thing to keep in mind, forceful inhalation and forceful exhalation. If you have anything that has been bothering you emotionally or physically, visualize that you're taking in all that pressure as you're inhaling and letting it out when you're exhaling. I am going to work on my emotion anger. So I'm going to visualize that I am taking in all that anger and letting it out. 3 rounds. First round, 10 counts. Second round, 20 counts. Third round, 30 counts. But we'll take it slow. Anytime you start feeling dizzy, palms down, eyes closed, just watch your breath. First round, 10 counts. Exhale out fully. Sitting up tall, make a fist. Inhale, deep breath in, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Keep going. Exhale out fully. Inhale, deep breath in. Hold it in. Slowly exhale. Resume to normal breathing. Second round we'll be trying to do 20 counts. Once you're done with 20, just release the palms on knees. Sit still. Just observe what's happening within the body with your breath and the mind. Second round 20 counts starting now. Exhale out fully. Last round, preparing to do it for 30 counts. Choice is yours. You can stick to 20 or just slow 10 inhalations and exhalations. I'm trying to go and increase my pace this time. Exhale out fully. Starting the practice now. 30 counts. Take your time to slowly lie down in Shavasana. Once you settle down in Shavasana, complete awareness with your belly. So I am going to place both my palms on my lower belly, just to feel the lift and fall of the tummy as we are breathing in and out. And slowly bringing the count of 5 for inhale and exhale. Preparing to come out of Shavasana. You can choose to stay here longer. Take your time to slowly come out. Feel free to stretch your body out. Keeping the eyes closed. Simple cross leg coming up to seated. Palms on knees. Lengthen spine, relax your shoulders down. And observing body stillness for the next 15 minutes. Bringing a gentle smile onto the face. Palms in front of chest. Left palms. Nice. Looking at your palms. Thank you for practicing with me today. Have a great day. I'll see you all in next video. Take care.